Hello everybody, good morning. I'm coming at you with a bit of an update on the Accurascale situation because they have apologised. So when I first read this apology, I wasn't going to do anything. I was just going to leave it at that and say it's okay. But obviously a lot of people saw yesterday's video and a lot of people were quite angry by it, and rightly so. And thank you, by the way, for your support. So I thought I would come on here just one last time to read the apology, just to let everybody know it's okay and to stand down. So I'm going to read it out for you. The apology was made publicly in the comments of yesterday's video as opposed to privately with me, which means if you want to go and look at it, you can do. Anyway, here it is. Though I hold my hands up. In the festivities of yesterday at the MRC, I was glancing and answering at comments on RMWeb before all the facts were in front of me. Sam was absolutely correct. His DC model didn't have pre-fitted speakers. I was mistaken, and this was not on the original specification as per our website. My unreserved apologies if the clicks comment came across negatively. It wasn't meant as such and was meant as tongue-in-cheek. We often poke fun at our own in-house YouTuber the same way. The Book Jumper project has been a pleasure to work on over the past few years, with lots of emotional highs and lows. It's been great to see the model so well received by the public, reviewers and wider media after all the hard work. In the future, I'll stick to my projects rather than making a tit of myself online. All the best, no offence intended, Paul. So there you have it. So just to summarise, the project manager for the Book Jumper just got it wrong. It was a mistake when they said pre-fitted speakers were fitted to all models, and the comment about clicks being the only thing that counts when it comes to my life's work was just a joke. Now obviously I have some thoughts about this apology, and certainly the people that have seen it already in the comments and have responded to it don't seem very impressed by it, but it is an apology and I'm determined to respond to this in the most professional way I possibly can. So I'm prepared to accept it. Let's give them the benefit of the doubt over this, whatever you might think, and let's move on, because there's no point dragging out this unpleasantness anymore. They have apologised and let's leave it at that. Before I do though, I just want to say a massive thank you to all of you for the absolute outpouring of support that I saw yesterday. It was absolutely humbling. I really couldn't believe it. Thousands of comments came rushing in, and I think the only good thing that has come out of this situation was that outpouring of support, because when I'm in here making videos, I'm alone in a quiet room. Sometimes I do think, is this all futile? What's the point of it all? And seeing all of those lovely comments yesterday actually really made me feel quite good about myself, and it made me feel that actually all of this is truly worth it, and that the videos really are worth something to you. So thank you ever so much. You can stand down. Thank you ever so much for your support. I do truly appreciate it. I think a message really has been sent over this past couple of days, and hopefully we will see some change in attitudes. I think we will. But let's leave this one here. Thank you once again. I'll catch you on the next one.